We're going on vacation, hip hip hooray. Sun is shining bright, it's a happy day. We've got our suitcase big and bright. Let's start packing, we'll do it right.
Empty suitcase ready.
Look at our suitcase, empty and new. So many things to pack, so much to do. Zip goes a zipper when everything's inside. We'll pack it together with joy and pride. Clothes first, fold them nice and neat. Shirts and shorts and dresses, all so sweet. Into the suitcase, in they go, nice and tidy, row by row. Pajamas, pajamas, soft and snug, warm and cozy like a bedtime hug. Stars and teddies on them too. Into the suitcase, in they go, woohoo!
Shoes and socks,
Don't forget,
we'll need them on our trip.
you bet.
Little feet stay comfy all day long.
Pack them safely.
Sing this song.
Toothbrush, toothpaste, brush for hair. We like to stay clean everywhere. Soap and lotion, bubble fun. Packing for travel is
Almost done.
weather items. Hat and jacket, sunglasses too. Sunny weather, we're ready for you. Whatever the weather, rain or sun, we're prepared and having fun. Swimsuit packed, hooray, hooray. We might go swimming and splash all day. Floaties too and fun play wear. Adventure time
Everywhere.
Don't forget a cuddle friend, someone cozy to hold and pretend. Teddy bear, you're coming to vacation time is
Fun for you.
books and crayons, coloring pad, something quiet when we feel calm or sad. Quiet time is fun to do, creative minds for me and you.
Let's check our list.
From top to toe,
Clothes
pajamas,
ready to go. Shoes,
toothbrush,
book too.
everything packed.
Yay!
Woohoo! Clothes in the suitcase,
Zip it up, zip it tight.
everything packed just right. Suitcase ready, clap along. We did it right with our packing song. Backpack on, shoes tied tight. We're already feeling bright. Wave goodbye, we're on our way. Vacation fun
Starts today.
ready for vacation.
Shout